My first transaction at CVS was a hot mess. Some of my CRTs didn't go through. I ended up paying for something that I asked the cashier to void off, so I had to go back to the store. So let's just go ahead and tell you what I did get, tell you what I paid for it, and then I'll explain to you the problems at the end. I picked up 2 of the Huggies, which are spend 20, get a $5 extra care buck. I had a $3 off of 2 CRT, and then I printed 2 $1 off of 1 manufacturer coupons from the Scott brand website. That brought my total for the Huggies to $10 to $15, and I got a $5 extra care buck. The Crest Gum Sensitivity and the Crest 3D White, these are on sale this week for $6.99. You buy 2 and you get a $4 extra care buck. I used a $3 off of 1 manufacturer digital coupon on both. I had 1 for each. And then I used a 4 off of 14 Crest CRT. That brought my total down to $3.98, and I got back a $4 extra care buck. On the Venus this week, they are priced at $9.99. We have $2 manufacturer coupons, bringing it to $7.99, and you get a $3 extra care buck. It's not the greatest deal, but I did pair it in with the Skintimate. These are priced at $9.29 at my store. Buy one, get one half off, and you get a $5 extra care buck when you spend $15. My total before coupons for the razors was $23.92. I used a $5 off of a 20 shave CRT. I used a 7 off of 2 digital Schick coupon and a $2 manufacturer coupon for the Venus. That brought my total down to $9.92, and I did get a $3 extra care buck, making it $6.62 for all 3. On the Colgate this week, they are buy 2, get a $3 extra care buck. I got 4 at $3.49 each, making it $13.96. I used 4 $1 off of 1 manufacturer coupons. I used a 3 off of 12 Colgate CRT. I used a $3 whitening CRT. It brought my total down to $3.96, and I got a $6 extra care buck back for the Colgate. And on the toothpaste, I did try to use 2 $3 off of 1 whitening kit or treatment CRTs. Only 1 did attach, so instead of making the Crest $1.98, I paid $3.98 and I got a $4 extra care buck. The Crest was still a $6 moneymaker, so it wasn't a big deal. But she didn't even give me back the CRT because she didn't know which one it was. There are the Huggies, priced at 2 for $20. The Colgate's on sale for $3.49. Crest Gum Sensitivity, priced at $6.99. The Venus Razor at $9.99. The other Crest up here, the 3D White Charcoal. Here are the Skintimates, buy one, get one half off, $9.29, and this one would have been $4.64. And then these are the 2 products that I try to get. My coupons weren't scanning for them. I asked her to void them, and if I could just get one of my $9 extra care bucks back that I used down here, a beauty buck, because I knew it would have maybe took off a couple cents, and then I would have wasted over $8 in extra care bucks. But they didn't go through, so the void didn't happen. When she hit total, my total came out to $11.84. And I knew that wasn't right because I had wrote all my math down, so I knew the numbers for everything. And taking out these Eucerin would have given me back my extra buck. And I looked at the screen and I said, that's not right. But I really wanted to just get out the store, so I paid for it. I drove around in the car in the parking lot and my daughter fell asleep. So it was still bugging me because I knew it was off. So I pulled over, I looked at the receipt, and I noticed that the Eucerins were still on my receipt and I didn't have the product in my bag. So she didn't void them, she kept the product. She didn't scan my $3.50 off of 15 lotion CRT. She didn't try to make my manufacturer coupons go through. So I paid the total of $10.99 for each one. That's why my subtotal was $11.89 plus the $9 extra care buck covers the price of this. So I went back. I've never done a return at CVS for something I couponed on. So you do get your money back for what you bought, and you do get extra care bucks back for what was used on the products that you returned. So my transaction did end up being free. My extra care bucks were a hot ass mess also. I did get $5 for the Huggies. I did get $3 for the Venus. The Schick were priced cheaper at the store that I went to, so I didn't hit the 15 to get the 5 extra care buck, which is kind of a bummer. The Colgate, I got back 6. I got back 4 for buying 2 of the Crest. And then the Eucerin was spend 20, get 10. I did give it back to her whenever I did the return. $44 in extra care bucks. After the return, I got back $26.61. In my second transaction, this is my spend 40, get a $10 extra care buck. I picked up 2 of the Herbal Essence at 2 for $12. I had a $3 off of 10 Herbal Essence CRT. I had a $2 off of Pantene Aussie or Herbal Essence CRT. And then I had a $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon. That brought my total down to $4 for the Herbal Essence. The Old Spice are on sale this week. Buy one, get one half off. I picked up one at $6.99 and the other one at $3.49. That brought my total to $10.48. I had a $5.49 off digital when you buy two, brought my total to $4.99. On the Olay, they're 2 for $12. I had a $2 off of 2 Olay CRT. I used a $1 off of 1 manufacturer coupon, and the $2 off of 2 Olay digital coupon also glitched and came off. That brought my total for the Olay to $7. And then for the body wash, I had a $3 off of 18 body wash CRT. Brought my total for all the body wash to $8.99. On the U by Kotex, these are priced at $4.99 at my store. I printed a 50-cent off of 1 U by Kotex on the Scott brand website, and then I had a $2 off of U by Kotex CRT. The big pens are buy one get one half off. I bought one at $2.79, one at $1.39, brought my total to $4.18. I used this $3 off of 2 big stationery products and left my total at $1.18 for the pens. Taking a look at the receipt, there's a Herbal Essence 2 for $12, Olay 2 for $12, Bic one at $2.79, the other one at $1.39. There is the U by Kotex $4.99, and then the Old Spice $6.99 and $3.49. Coupons was $3 off of the Bic pens, 50 cents off the U by Kotex, $1 off of the Olay, and then $3 off the Herbal Essence. $5.49 came off for the Old Spice, then the $2 glitched and came off for the Olay. $3 off of 10 Herbal Essence, $3 off of 18 body wash, $2 off U by Kotex, $2 off 2 Olay body wash. I rolled 13 extra care bucks. I paid $3.66 and I got back a $10 extra care buck. After coupons and CRTs, I paid $16.67. After getting the 10 extra care bucks back, it brought my total to $6.67, making it 74 cents for each item. For my third transaction, I picked up 2 of the pull-ups, 2 for $20, spend $20, get a $5 extra care buck. I had a $3 off of 18 diaper CRT. I had a $2 off of 1 manufacturer coupon for each one. That brought my total down to $13 and I got a $5 extra care buck. Poise this week are on a special for spend $25, get a $5 extra care buck. That's not the greatest deal, but I did have some really good rebates. That's the only reason why I did it. So I picked up the Poise microliners. They're priced at $5.99 at my store. And then the Actives and the Ultra Thins are priced at $6.79. That brought my total for all 4 packages to $26.36. I used a $2 off of 1 Poise manufacturer coupon for each one. That took off $8, bringing my total to $18.36. I had a $4 off of 12 Poise CRT. I had a $3 off adult care CRT that also came off. That brought my total to $11.36. There's the Huggies pull-ups, 2 for $20, and then the liners, $5.99. Poise Active, $6.79, Ultra Thin, $6.79, and then the other active collection for $6.79. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, $2 off for the Poise, and then I have another 1, 2, $2 off for the pull-ups, $4 off of 12 CRT for the Poise, $3 off of 18 diapers, $3 off adult care. I rolled 24 extra care bucks on this transaction. I had a subtotal of 36 cents. I got back $10 in extra care bucks, making my cost for this transaction $14.36 before rebates. I did want to mention that this $2 off of 1 package of Poise Active Collection 12 to 26 count or the Ultra Thin pads. This one was not scanning on the Ultra Thin pads or the 26 count liners. I did use the $2 off of 1 any Poise product, and those worked on all 4. In my last transaction, I picked up 2 of the Colgate mouthwash. They're priced at $3.99 each. Buy one, get a $2 extra care buck with a limit of 2. I picked up 2 at $7.98. I used a $1 off of 1 digital coupon. I used a $1 off of 1 mouthwash printable coupon from coupons.com. And then I used a $2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT. That brought my total after coupons to $3.98, and I got a $4 extra care buck. On the Optic White, they're on sale this week, $3.49. Buy 2, get a $3 extra care buck. I picked up 4 at $13.96. I used a $3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Colgate toothpaste, a $1 off of 1 Colgate toothpaste, and then a $1 off of 1 manufacturer coupon that came in the Sunday's paper. I also used a $3 off whitening kit or treatment CRT and a $3 off of 12 Colgate CRT. That brought my total for the toothpaste down to $2.96, and I got a $6 extra care buck, making the toothpaste a $3.04 moneymaker. On the Crest, on sale $6.99. Buy 2, get a $4 extra care buck. I had a $3 off of 1 gum and sensitivity digital coupon, and then another $3 off of whitening therapy manufacturer coupon. I also used a $4 off of 14 Crest CRT. That brought my total down to $3.98, and I got a $4 extra care buck, making that a 2-cent moneymaker. Taking a look at the receipt, there's the mouthwash $3.99. Then the 1, 2, 3, 4 Optic White at $3.49. The Crest, $6.99 and $6.99. $1 off of 1 Colgate manufacturer coupon. $1 off of the mouthwash printable coupon. $3 off of 2 for the toothpaste. $3 and $3 for the Crest digitals. $1 for the Crest toothpaste and $1 for the Crest mouthwash digital. Had the $4 off of 14 Crest, $3 off of 12 Colgate. $3 whitening kit CRT, 2 off of 6 mouthwash. I rolled $11 in extra care bucks. My subtotal was 0. And then I did get back $6 for the toothpaste, $4 for the Crest, and $4 for the mouthwash, making it a $3.08 moneymaker for all of these items before rebates. For my 4 transactions, first one was $12.67. Second one was $3.92, third one was 36 cents. $16.95 before the return. After the return was $2.67 for all 4 transactions. First account, that was a loss of $10 in extra care bucks. On my second account, that was a loss of $11 in extra care bucks. Plus the cash I paid out of pocket was $2.64, brought me to negative $23.64 before rebates. On Fetch, I got back $1.20 for the Poise. I got back $6 for the pull-ups. I got back $7 for the Huggies. I got back $2 for the Huggies on Ibotta, and I got back $12 for the Crest on Ibotta. That brought it to $28.20 in rebates. So the $28.20 minus the $23.64 that I lost in extra care bucks and cash out of pocket made everything I picked up in all 4 transactions a moneymaker of $4.56. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll have a great evening. Let me know down in the comments what you plan to get from CVS, and I'll see you guys in the next one.